Hi dear students, this is BS Academy grade 10 physics. In the last video we discussed about the types of the spherical mirrors, that is we discussed about the concave mirror and convex mirror. Now in this video we are going to discuss about some of the terms that you have to remember while we are using the spherical mirrors. So our today's topic is terms used in spherical mirrors. Okay, right. So see, the first term we are going to discuss is pole. Okay, pole. Now see, we know how to draw the concave mirror and a convex mirror. No? So in concave and convex mirror, see, we already know this is the reflecting surface of the concave mirror, and this reflecting surface of the concave mirror is a part of the sphere, right? We already discussed in the last video itself. So this is the reflecting surface of the concave mirror, and this reflecting surface of the concave mirror is a part of a sphere, and this is the faded part of the concave mirror. Okay, right. So this is the side view. I told you that this is the side view of the concave mirror. So if you turn this concave mirror and if you see the front view of the concave mirror, it seems to be the circular part. Okay, that is the part of a sphere. It is a part of a sphere, and this is the side view of the mirror. And if you see the front view of the mirror, it will be in the form of the circle. So that circular part, that reflecting surface of the concave mirror will have the center point. No? That center point is called as pole. So that center point called as pole can be represented over here because this is the side view. So this will be the position of the pole. Okay. So this point is called as pole, and it is represented by the letter P. Okay, so P is nothing but what? Pole, and the pole is the center point of the reflecting surface of the mirror. Okay, now see the definition. The center of the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is a point called the pole. Okay, so this is the reflecting surface, and this reflecting surface is having the center. Okay, and that center point is called as pole. The center of the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is a point called the pole, and it is represented by the letter P. Okay, so always remember, in case of the mirrors, the letter P represents what? Pole. Right, so this is for concave. And same way, see, for convex, we know how to draw the convex mirror. It will bend outwards, no? It bend outwards, right? So this is the reflecting surface of the convex mirror, and this other part is the faded part of the convex mirror. Okay, so this is the reflecting surface. So this is also the side view of the convex mirror, and as I told before, the front view of the convex mirror is also seems to be the circular shape. So that circular part will have the center. Okay, so here also we can define the center point of the reflecting surface of the spherical mirror is called as pole. So in convex mirror, here you have to represent the pole. So this point is called as what? Pole. It is represented by the symbol P. Okay, is it clear about the definition pole, students? Right, see once again, the center of the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is a point called the pole, and it is represented by the letter P. See, for concave, this is the point where we have to represent pole, and for convex, this is the point, it is called as pole. Okay, it is represented by the symbol P. Is it clear, students? Right. See, next we are going to discuss about the center of curvature. Okay, center of curvature. Right. See, we already know the concave mirror is a part of a sphere. It is the part of the sphere. Okay. So if this is the part of the sphere, right, So the sphere with this, the sphere will have some center, no? The sphere will have the center. So the center part or the center point of that sphere is called as the center of curvature. Okay. So this is just a part of the sphere. So whereas if you complete this part of the, if you complete this part to get a sphere, the diagram will be like this, is it not? Right. So this sphere will have the center. This spherical part will have the center point, and that center point is called as center of curvature. Okay, and that point is represented by the symbol C. So C is called as what? Center of curvature. Okay, so that is what the definition. See, the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror forms a part of a sphere. The reflecting surface of the spherical mirror forms a part of the sphere, and this sphere has a center. This sphere will have the center, and this point is called as the center of curvature, and it is represented by the letter C. Okay, C. Right. Now in this diagram, see, this is the point represented as the center of curvature. Okay. Right. Now see, for convex mirror, for convex mirror is also a part of the sphere. Okay, so it means if you complete this sphere, so this is a part of the sphere, no? So if you develop this sphere, you will get the sphere like this. Okay, and this spherical part will have the center, and that center point is called as center of curvature. Okay, students. Right. See, note down the point that the concave mirror, for concave mirror, the center of curvature lies in front of the reflecting surface of the concave mirror. But for convex mirror, see, the center of curvature lies at the faded part, at the side of the faded part of the convex mirror. Okay, it means at the back side of the mirror. Right. So for concave mirror, the center of curvature lies in the left hand side, and for convex mirror, the center of curvature lies at the right hand side. Okay, is it clear, children? Right. See the definition for center of curvature. The reflecting surface of a spherical mirror forms a part of a sphere, and this sphere has a center. This sphere will have the center, and that point is called as the center of curvature, and it is represented by the letter C. Okay, children. Right. See, we are moving on to the next definition. See, radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. See, the radius of the sphere of the reflecting surface of the mirror is called as the radius of curvature. It is represented by the letter R. See, again refer the same diagram. See, the radius of the sphere. I told you, no, this is the spherical, this is the sphere. Okay, and this is the concave mirror, which is a part of the sphere, and this sphere is having the center, that is called as center of curvature. Right. And now see, what is this distance? This distance is actually the radius. Okay, this is the radius of this sphere. Okay, so this radius is called as the radius of curvature. Actually, this is what, student? This is radius. Okay, so this distance is radius of this whole sphere. Okay, for this whole sphere, this is the radius, and this radius is called as the radius of curvature. Okay, so this distance is called as what? Radius of curvature, and radius of curvature is represented by the symbol capital R. Okay, that is the radius of curvature for concave mirror. See, for convex mirror also, this distance is the radius of curvature. Okay, for a whole sphere, this is the radius, so therefore this is called as the radius of curvature. It is represented by the symbol capital R. Okay, children. Right. See once again the definition. The radius of the sphere of the reflecting surface of the mirror is called the radius of curvature. Right. See, the radius of the sphere of the reflecting surface of the mirror is called as the radius of curvature. Okay children, right, it is represented by the letter R. It is represented by the letter R. Okay, right. See, the next definition is principal axis. Principal axis is actually, it is the imaginary line. Okay, it is the imaginary line. So you just imagine that the line is passing through the pole and the center of curvature. Okay, right. See, we know what is pole, what is center of curvature now. So see, for concave mirror, again I am drawing the diagram. For concave mirror, see, we know this point. What is this point? This is pole, represented by the symbol P. And we know the center of the sphere is called as what? Center of curvature, represented by the symbol C. And what is this distance? This distance is called as what? Radius of curvature. Okay, right. Now see, the imaginary line passing through the pole and the center of curvature. So imagine that the line is passing through the center of curvature and the pole. So this imaginary line is called as what? Principal axis. So that is what the definition. See, the imaginary line passing through the pole and the center of curvature of a mirror is called as the principal axis. Is it clear, students? Right. So this is for concave mirror. Okay. For convex, see how to draw the principal axis. We know this is convex mirror. Okay, this is the faded part of the convex mirror. And we know this is pole, represented by the symbol P, right? And the center of this sphere is called as what? C, that is center of curvature. And this distance is called as what? Radius of curvature, right? And see, the imaginary line passing through the pole and the center of curvature of the mirror is called as what? Principal axis. Okay. See, for concave mirror, this is the principal axis. For convex mirror, this is the principal axis. Right? But the definition is same. The imaginary line which is passing through the pole and the center of curvature of a mirror is called principal axis. Is it clear, children? Right? See, from the beginning, the first definition is pole. It is the center of the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror. Is called as what? Pole. It is represented by the symbol P. Okay. Right. See next, the center of curvature. The reflecting surface of a spherical mirror forms a part of the sphere. And this sphere is having the center. And that center point is called as center of curvature. It is represented by the letter C. Okay. Radius of curvature. The radius of the sphere of the reflecting surface of the mirror is called as the radius of curvature. That is this distance. Okay. It is represented by the letter capital R. Then principal axis. The imaginary line passing through the pole and the center of curvature is called as the principal axis. Is it clear, children? Right? So be clear about this topic, because by using these terms only you are going to handle the spherical mirrors, that is concave and convex, and it will be easy to measure the distances like a principal focus, principal axis and the focal length, everything, right? So by knowing these terms only you can able to measure the focal length value and the radius of curvature value, all those things, right? So be clear about these topics, students. Okay, children, right? Okay, students, thank you. See you in the next video.